Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. From chores to parasite control, the best ranchers have it covered. Dectomax injectable from Zoetis protects against 36 types of little parasites, including adult parasites, L4 larvae, and inhibited larvae. U.S. beef exports blew even optimistic expectations out of the water in March, according to the most recent trade data released this week. Beef exports set a new monthly record at 300 million pounds, beating the previous record set in August 2018 by 13 million pounds. March beef exports also posted a 12% increase compared to a strong export pace during March last year. The growth is almost entirely attributed to China. Exports to China were 43 million pounds compared to just 1 million pounds last year. This growth has not come at sacrifice to presumed indirect trade to China. Total beef exports to the Greater China region, which includes Hong Kong, Vietnam, and Taiwan, posted a similar growth trend, up 43 million pounds from a year ago. While China was the leader for growth, demand remained strong from other countries as well, most notably into South Korea. Exports to Canada and Japan were both below year-ago levels, but still at generally strong levels historically. While higher beef cutout values may soften export demand in the near term, the data clearly suggests demand for U.S. beef remains strong around the globe. Furthermore, reduced slaughter and production from Australia as the cattle industry down under tries to expand means U.S. beef will continue to have less competition abroad. Turning to this week's markets, a light to moderate fed cattle trade occurred in the south at mostly 119, steady to firm compared to last week. Moderate trade occurred in the north at 117 to 118 live and 188 to 190 dressed, steady to mostly one lower for the live market. The CME feeder cattle index was lower this week, with Thursday's quote at 131.56, down $3.51 from last week. Around the country, feeder cattle were steady to 4 lower, while calves traded in a wide range, but were mostly 2 to 7 lower. Cull cow prices were mixed, from 2 lower to 1 higher this week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.